In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the average of a set of numbers in a spreadsheet using the average formula. This is a straightforward process that can be incredibly useful for quick data analysis, allowing you to easily summarize your data in a meaningful way. So, let's dive right into it and make this task simple and clear for you. First, identify and click on the empty cell where you want the average result to appear. This is your destination cell, and it's where the magic will happen, displaying the calculated average for you to see. It's crucial to choose the right cell beforehand, as this will help you keep your spreadsheet organized and easy to navigate. Once you've selected the right cell for your outcome, it's time to instruct the spreadsheet to calculate the average. We do this using the average formula, which is a built-in function specifically designed for this purpose. Begin by typing the equal sign, followed by the word average without any spaces, right in the destination cell. This is where the formula begins taking shape. After you've typed out each average, the next step is to select the cell range containing the numbers you want to average. To do this, click and drag your cursor over the cells you're interested in, or you can manually type the range of cells into the formula. For example, if you want to average the values from cells D1 to D5, you'll type D1, D5 right after your opening parenthesis. It's important to double-check this selection to ensure you're averaging the correct data. This will prevent any discrepancies or errors in your results. Once you've entered the correct range, simply close off your formula with a closing parenthesis. Your formula should now look something like average D1, D5, assuming that was your selected range. This setup tells the spreadsheet exactly which cells to include in the average calculation. Finally, press Enter. This crucial step executes the formula and prompts the spreadsheet to calculate the average of the numbers specified in your range. After pressing Enter, you'll instantly see the calculated average appear in the cell you initially selected, providing you an immediate insight into the dataset. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to determine the average of any set of numbers in your spreadsheet. Remember, this handy tool allows you to summarize your data effectively, aiding in better decision-making and enhancing your data analysis capabilities. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or explore more of our tutorials for additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating!